and wala barodan ngech katok English kana tok Nuer basic daily expression the quantity ano banaka kan katok English banaka nang katok Nath ano manyam bichaji jogono nena. Are you at home? Are you at home? Jin teaching. Jin teaching. Jokoni jeno jin teaching. Are you at home? Jin teaching. Are you going to school? Are you going to school? Jin widwel gora. Jin widwel gora. Michai jogono nena. Are you going to school? Jokoni jeno jin widwel gora. Jin widwel gora. Are you going to school? Jin widwel gora. Are you happy? Are you happy? Jokoni jeno de jin tes loidu. Jin tes loidu. Are you happy? Jin tes loidu. Can you help me? Can you help me? Jin dere halwak. Jin dere halwak. Michai jogono can you help me? Jogon jeno jin dere halwak. How are you? Michai jogono how are you? Jogon jeno de tedi keji kie de jong jeno de male. Male. How are you? Male kie tedi keji. I am ready. I am ready. Sharo realika. Sharo realika. I'm ready. Sharo realika. I can speak English. I can speak English. Lurano. And they write katok English. And they write katok English. I can speak English. And they write katok English. Thank you very much, Maluda. Thank you very much, Maluda. Shiloida Ted. Shiloida Ted. Thank you very much. Shiloida Ted. Shiloida Ted. Guat me bananyok mi lat kone. Ried me michawa are you at home? Are you at home? Jogoni jeno jin teaching. Michai teach. Are you at home? Jin teaching. Lire lark ried me. Are you at home? Jin teaching. Are you going to school? Are you going to school? Jin widwel gorga. Jin widwel gora. Are you going to school? Jin widwel gorga. Mitejiran kietekeji. Di jogono are you going to school? Jin widwel gora. Di nyo jogneno are you happy? Are you happy? Jin teloidu. Jin teloidu. Are you happy? Jin teloidu. Happy eme lurenetas loach. Jin teloidu. Are you happy? Jin teloidu. Can you help me? Can you help me? Lornu guadamen help eme lurenelwak. Micha can you help me? Jin dere halwak. Jin dere halwak mitejiranano. Jin dere halwak. Jin dere halwak. Can you help me? Jin dere halwak. How are you? How are you, Melode? Tedi keji. Tedi keji, or you can use male. Derwa male. How are you? Tedi keji kia male. Kan Nuer yot kana male lo mucha male lo no how are you? Chere ke lo how are you? How are you? Tedi keji kia male. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. Sharo realika. Sharo realika. I'm ready. Sharo realika. Don't mute gwa witendero. I am ready. I am ready. Sharo realika. I'm ready. Sharo realika. I can speak English. I can speak English. Malodka. And they write katok English. And they write katok English. English. And they write katok English. I can speak English. And they write katok English. I can speak English. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mean Chiloida Ted along. Chiloida Ted along. Thank you very much. Chiloida Ted along. Please follow for more.